Hello students, this is Sir Carlus with today's video on Social Science Geography Chapter 3 Motions of the Earth. Dear students, as we have learned that the Earth has two types of motions, namely rotation and revolution. Now what is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. And the axis is nothing but an imaginary line running from North Pole to South Pole through the center of the Earth. Next, what is revolution? The movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. So, the Earth, while rotating like a wheel, it travels on its path around the Sun and covers a distance, and when it travels one round around the Sun, it is called revolution. So now we have cleared the concept of rotation and revolution. Now let's study the definition of orbital plane. The axis of the Earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 degree with its orbital plane. So dear students, please observe the figure 3.1 in your text. The line extending from North Pole to South Pole is the axis. As I have told, axis is an imaginary line which does not really exist, but we can make axis on the model of the Earth. So next, look at the horizontal line stretching from east to west. It is the orbital plane. Now if you measure the angle that is formed by the intersecting line of axis and orbital plane, you will find it is 66.5 degree. Therefore, we can conclude or understand that the Earth is inclined or tilted 66.5 degree from the orbital plane. As the Earth rotates from west to east, that half of the Earth's surface facing the Sun gets light, while the other half remains in darkness. The portion getting light is said to be experiencing day, while the other half experiences night. The circle that divides day from night is called the circle of illumination, as it indicates the portion experiencing light and darkness. So this circle does not coincide with the axis as you see in the figure 3.2, and the Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis, and the period of rotation is known as the Earth day. This is the daily motion of the Earth. Now the question is, what would happen if the Earth did not rotate? If the Earth did not rotate, the portion of the Earth facing the Sun would always experience day, thus bringing continuous warmth to the region, while the other half would remain in darkness and be freezing cold all the time. So life would not have been possible in such extreme conditions. Dear students, that's enough for today. Thank you.